Namaste friends. Welcome to Guru's Kitchen where everything is made with love. Just few days back we posted our first video. Now today I want to introduce you to my better half. So today she is going to prepare the amazing aloo paratha which is her speciality.
Thank you, Vivek. And hi friends, I am Ritu and today I will show you how to make aloo paratha. This is one of my favorite dishes, and the reason behind is because this is the first dish that I made when I got married and it was a super hit. So I always love to make aloo parathas, and today I would like to share my secret recipe with you. Okay, so let's see the ingredients that we need for making aloo paratha. And then additionally we can add some ajwain. We can also add some jeera powder. We can add some red chili powder, and also the garam masala, which is specially made in our kitchen, in the Guru's kitchen. And of course we need some boiled potatoes, and we need some dough for it, and dough should be very soft. So now we have mashed the potatoes. So I've taken 2 medium sized potatoes, and now we will add all the ingredients. So after mixing all the ingredients, this is how it looks. You can also taste it a little bit to see if the salt and red chilies are according to your taste. Otherwise you can add little more to it. Okay, now I've taken a portion of dough. It's almost twice the size of normal roti or chapati that you make. So take accordingly. And then apply some dry atta on this. Okay, now we'll start rolling this. Ensure that you're rolling it evenly. That's very important when you're making paratha or chapati. Okay, so once this is big enough, we can start stuffing it. Okay, make sure you're adding enough stuffing inside it. And then you can start closing this. This is the most important step when you're making the paratha. Okay, turn it around and start rolling it. And meanwhile you're rolling this, and your tawa is also ready because it has to be heated, it has to be hot. So I'm using an iron tawa here, which is very thick, and it's very good when you're making parathas, so that the paratha will not get burned, it will cook properly. अभी आप यहाँ देखेंगे, यहाँ बीच बीच में ये फटना स्टार्ट हो गया है. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. You can just add little bit of dry atta here, and that will take care of it. Okay, now we can see our tawa is hot. just place the paratha here. Now you can see that your paratha is ready, and now we can serve it.